Good evening, my viewers. Look, I'm not a NEET aspirant, but I am directly linked with education system of India. So called education, जिसमें एजुकेशन भी नहीं है, सिस्टम भी नहीं है और इंडिया पता नहीं कब तक है. I am a teacher and being an educator, I want reform in whole education system with best suitable leader, with educated leader. Few loopholes I have observed only through so-called दो कौड़ी के teachers या so-called दो कौड़ी के teachers and all news collected from responsible aware YouTubers and my personal experiences. 1. Error in logo of HDE Odisha as it's my state and my field. Second, ethanol production, pollution, inflation, corruption as my scooty recently just fused off on the middle of the road in heavily rain struck road with big giant size potholes. After 2 days of expensive service, I faced fused off in the middle of the road. Third, paper checking 2025 batch class 10 brilliant students of CBSE got least or just passed mark in the board and error in paper checking of class 10 students. I talked to some evaluators and also one video has been released by CBSE itself that due to the shortage of evaluators, some schools has hired watchmen of the same school to check MCQs and short questions. मतलब खेल लग रखा है यार. My students has gone into depression. They went to depression after seeing their science mark in 2025 batch. Fourth, school teacher positions vacant, but government is issuing only contractual post. Plus, I also want to make government aware of private school corruptions. They are only hiring inexperienced teachers in the cost of students' education. They only want a teacher who can be happy in 10,000, 9,000 and make their student pass. No practical approach, no inclusive education, nothing. Fifth, Aravali Hills destruction and corruption direct damage to central India. And gradually whole India means to me also. Sixth, as I am a regular traveler means workplace and to my hometown. Delay in train timing. Just 2 days before I came to my job place and I faced 3 hours delay in train. I pay for express ticket to reach within time, but government failed to do its duty by delaying 4 hours. My salary deducted by half for the same day. 7th, giant size potholes on the road. My scooty needs frequent repair and service means extra expense, but those potholes only get repaired the time of CM visit. How can please this legitimate government answer me? Oh sorry, how can this legitimate government can answer? I forgot, this is BJP government. This is the tolly of non-educators. This is the tolly of murkhos, gawar, as our Nehru said before at the time of independence. बचा लो इस देश को, वरना 75 साल बाद कोई 75 ईयर्स साल बाद कोई आएगा गवार और इसे धर्म के नाम पे लूट जाएगा. वही हुआ. I have read class 10's SST book. Still I found everybody is just for reading, not for practical. As in my democratic government, it's not responsive, accountable and maybe one day non-legitimate. I don't know how to address this problem. I don't know whom to tell. I don't know whom to beg because our respected prime minister, chief minister has gone deaf. They have gone deaf, 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 and deaf. They only want a tour world in the world around. They don't want to address our Indians' problem. Only in the name of religion, caste, you grab all the vote. And yeah, one more thing. ये तो धर्म के भी नहीं हो पाए. धर्म के नाम पे तुमने राम मंदिर बनवा दी, लोगों से वोट ले लिया, एंड रिसेंटली राम मंदिर गॉट लूटेड. Crores money were being looted by unanimous group or individuals, but no accountability also in that case. Nothing, no accountability, no legitimation, no responsive. How brutal you can be. It's our birthright to form association, to do procession, to ask government. And now this government is just put a tape on their mouth, shit mouth. They can only talk shit, but they don't have zero basic sense or information, a piece of information also. I literally feel despair when I teach. Now when I will teach my students about the democratic chapter, democratic rights, वगैरह वगैरह, how will I teach my student? What will I show them as an example? This non-democratic country only, मतलब only name of democratic country. How can I teach my student? मतलब from which thing I will give them inspiration to live in India? I will only give you suggestion if you have money, be athar rich in India, or you just go somewhere else. It can be any country but not India. Just go outside the country and live your life peacefully like a beggar or anything. Here no one is happy. No one. Hence, I am with you, Sonam Wakchuk sir, and urge you all to support at least digitally him and CJP and also other organizations. मोदी जी डिजिटल भारत बनाना चाहते थे ना, आओ इन्हें डिजिटल भारत की ताकत दिखाते हैं. Speak for him at least digitally on the 20th July, means today. Successful peaceful protest led by CJP, Wangchuk wife and other organizations, and our some celebrities also join them. Thanks to all of them. By through the bottom of my heart, it's a shameful and heinous to watch those uniformed 6 feet 5 feet 6 inch male and female to lathi charge on our peaceful protesters who just have stand there to raise voice against this so called Britishers के son. ब्रिटिशर्स तो चले गए, इनके बच्चे यहाँ हैं वो छोड़ गए. मैं रिसेंटली ही जालियनवाला बाग बच्चों को पढ़ा रही थी, मार्शल लॉ के बारे में बता रही थी, हरिडली कैसे रॉलेट एक्ट पास हुआ. तो मैंने आज पढ़ा प्रोटेस्ट के टाइम पे सेक्शन 163 लॉन्च कर दिया गया. जब मोदी जी कहीं बाहर जाते हैं तो मोदी जी के जाने से ठीक 4 दिन पहले कोई अवार्ड भी लॉन्च हो जाता है और उनको दे दिया जाता है. तो ठीक वैसे हमारे देश में भी आज प्रोटेस्ट से ठीक एक दिन पहले सेक्शन 163 नाम का कोई लगा दिया गया भारत न्याय संहिता के द्वारा. ये इंडिया है लिटरली. कहाँ गया वो सोने की चिड़िया? लूट लिया इन्होंने. पूरी बीजेपी को बॉयकॉट करो, नॉट ओनली धर्मेंद्र प्रधान. इफ दिस क्रूएल and fraud and kaya peoples are supporting this Dharmendra Pradhan. He is from my state and I feel ashamed of saying this. then boycott this BJP wholly, dissolve this party. अगर हम जनता में ताकत है तुमको वोट दे के खड़ा करने की, तुम्हें मेजॉरिटी साबित करवाने की, तुम्हारे एमपीज़ को वोट देने की, तो नेक्स्ट साल, नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन ईयर में हम फिर वोट देंगे और तब हम देखेंगे कि तुम कैसे उस पोजीशन में फिर से जाओगे. सो बी अवेयर. आज नहीं तो कल ये सत्ता तो गिरनी है. जब इंदिरा गांधी नहीं रह पाई, जब जवाहरलाल नेहरू नहीं रह पाए, तो तुम कौन हो? तुम कौन हो? आस्क टू योर सेल्फ, सी इन द मिरर, what have you done to this nation? Please, all the viewers, support CJP, Sonam Sarji, overload your Insta status with this type of support. जय हिंद, जय भारत. प्लीज़ हेल्प ईच अदर. हमेशा ये सोचो, आज आप जिस पोजीशन, अपर पोजीशन में रह के अपनी पावर का डर दूसरों को दिखा रहे हो, कल तुम भी उसी पोजीशन में, कल तुम्हारी जगह भी वो कोई आएगा. अपनी पोजीशन का फ़ायदा मत उठाओ, अपना पोजीशन का फ़ायदा दूसरों को उठाने दो, अच्छा फ़ायदा उठाने दो. तुम सर्वेंट्स हो, हमारे पब्लिक सर्वेंट्स हो, इसमें बुरा मानने वाली कोई बात नहीं थी. तुम हमारे सर्वेंट हो, यू आर नॉट अवर किंग. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन, but at least I can say my students, I can say that I have contributed in this protest. Jai Hind.